How to get Peacock TV on Spectrum. There are multiple ways for you to be able to obtain this kind of feature. The very first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that Peacock TV is one of the feature that you have added if you're using the Spectrum subscription. The next thing that you can do if you're going to be using a third-party streaming device like maybe Roku or even Fire Stick, then all you have to do is just simply open up Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded any applications from that third streaming device. So simply download Peacock and ensure that you will be logging into your account depending on your account subscription. And that's pretty much it. That's very basic. That is how you add Peacock on Spectrum.